Good morning. The Councillor, Economic Development Corporation, Student Commission Fiji, Mr. Safford, Chairman of the Public Service Commission, Permanent Secretary, representatives of the Governor of the Reserve Bank of Fiji, senior government officials, representatives from all the financial institutions, friends from the media, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Also not forgetting Turan and Tautal. Once again, it's Sandra Winaka, and a very good morning to you all. I'm truly honored this morning to officially launch the first ever Ministry of Housing's new digital platform for the first home initiative, ownership initiative. This is a significant milestone in our ongoing journey to modernize and simplify the first home ownership grant application process. Traditionally, the Ministry managed first home grant applications using manual, paper-based method, which led to receiving large number of documents, submissions from financial institutions for assessments and verifications. To date, the First Home Ownership Initiative program has assisted over 3,500 households since its inception in 2014, either buying or building their first home. In response to the increasing demand for housing support, the Resource Optimization Subcommittee, which is made up of a few permanent secretaries, initiated a Digitisation drive in 2024. This strategic move was designed to streamline our processes, eliminate outdated paper-based procedures, and ultimately deliver faster and more efficient services. Hence the design and development of the first home ownership digitization portal. Ladies and gentlemen, today we mark a transformative leap forward. We are officially shifting from paper to digitization, embracing the efficiency, transparency, and convenience of a digital first solution. As technology continues to shape how we communicate, learn, work, and access services, it's only right that our system evolves too. This portal is a symbol of that advancement. With centralized data now readily accessible through the portal, both the Ministry and respective financial institutions can make more timely and informed decisions. I remember when I started office, I used to receive a lot of calls, follow-up calls from individuals who have been inquiring about the application. And hopefully with the Ministry digitizing the process, it's going to help the Ministry as well as financial institutions and even applicants in accessing information. Because when you do things manually, we don't know where the application is, who is filling the application, what is the progress. So with this coming on board, be able to assist the general public in accessing such information. At this juncture, I wish to thank the Australian government for their continued partnership through the institutional Suvavou partnership program. Their support has been instrumental in bringing this innovation to life, advancing our mission to improve accessibility for every aspiring Fijian homeowner. And we also going to also reach out to the Australian government as well as through the embassy, and also assisting some of the programs that we may have with the Ministry of Housing. We've got a lot of challenges on Main Street, and we are thankful to your government for coming on board and assisting our Main Street. And we look forward to more support too from the Australian government. To the business process improvement team of Suvavou for the dedication and commitment to making this vision a reality. Your work behind the scenes have been invaluable. The launch of this portal is a testament to the power of collaboration, and it reflects our shared commitment to delivering smarter, faster, and more accessible housing services for all Fijians. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure that I officially launch the Digitisation of the First Home Ownership Systems Initiative portal. I invite each of you to explore its features, please use its services, and join us in this exciting digital journey. And hopefully there won't be any more calls that I'll be receiving from my office. Together, we are shaping a future where home ownership is more accessible, efficient, and inclusive for all Fijians. Nalumisa, and may God bless us all, and may God bless Fiji.
With a single click, a new door to home ownership has just swung wide open. The First Home Ownership Initiative digital portal is officially live, and with it, a bold new commitment to faster, smarter, and more citizen-focused service delivery. For years, applying for a first home grant meant patience, frustration, and waiting. A process that once relied on stacks of paper, repeated visits, and long queues has now been completely transformed. On average, it took up to 60 working days for an application to be processed. Now, that time is being slashed by over 80% to just 10 working days. This is not just a system upgrade, it's a transformation in how government meets the needs of its people. With the unwavering support of the Australian government under the Suvavou partnership, the Ministry of Housing through the Institutional Partnerships Program and the Business Process Improvement Team has delivered a powerful, efficient and secure digital solution. This portal is faster, smarter and built with the Fijian people at its heart. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future of housing support. Let's take you on a walkthrough of this new system. Financial institutions begin by logging in securely with an authorized username and password on the new portal at www.fhoi.gov.mj. Using the portal, financial institutions can launch new applications by filling some basic fields, uploading supporting documents, and submitting. No more physical handovers, no more delays, no more risks of misplaced documents. And guess what? You can track every step in real time. No more follow-up calls, no more back and forth emails. On the other side, Ministry of Housing's team access a streamlined interface, allowing officers to review documents faster, verify eligibility, and process payments without needing to print a single page. Letters of approval are generated and issued digitally with one click, speeding up the process and reducing human error. But that's not all. This new portal also allows institutions to lodge appeals directly online, track and monitor grants more transparently, generate customized reports instantly for analysis and decision making. It's more than just a tech upgrade. It's a smarter way to work, a simpler way to apply, and a better way to deliver results for Fijian families. But don't just take our words for it. Hear from the very people who have been part of this transformation.
3